Okay guys, in this short video I'm just going to show you how you can copy and paste all this data and put it into a Word document so you can submit your reports here. First thing I want to do is I will highlight my data and I will go to Insert, Table, My Data. Make sure you have this checked. My table has headers. I click OK and now it is changed to like a table format and you can change the style or whatever. So I will now go to Control C. I click Control C and that tells the computer that I'm copying this. Again, I hold down CTRL and I then click C simultaneously and I come to my Word document and I can go Control. I'm holding down Control and I click V and then I have the table here. Now I want to make sure I add another header. I'd like to do is insert a row above. I would then like to merge these three cells, so then I right click and I go to merge cells. And so these three trial data, these are the 1/4 average wavelengths. The symbol for wavelength is lambda, so I'll go to Insert, Symbol. For me, it's automatic. For you, if you go to More Symbols, it's under the subset Greek and Coptic. Now, lambda capitalized it looks like a capital L, so you'll have to find a capital L if it looks like that and hit close. You can change it from a capital to a lowercase in Word if you go to Home, and you will see up here in Word where it says change case, you can make it uppercase. So look, oh, it's an upside down V, not an L, I'm sorry. Or we can change it to lowercase. And then the units for the wavelength, these are in meters. Lowercase m, if it automatically capitalizes it, just change it. And then I'm going to insert the uncertainty value. So symbol for uncertainty, it's delta. Again, that's under Greek and Coptic. So the uncertainty, I control copy. The uncertainty in my measurements for wavelength, actually this is 1/4 the wavelength, comes from the precision or my comfort in how I read the data. I'm going to insert this symbol. This is a math symbol, plus minus sign, 0.001 meters, because that's my most precise values. And here I'm missing a decimal place of precision. So we make sure all of our values have the same precision. This average, and what I can do here is merge these cells. So I'm going to insert merge cells. I can then merge these cells as I have to do it one at a time. If I don't, then it will merge all the cells I highlight. Merge these cells, right click, merge cells, and then I can merge, right click, merge these cells. This is the average 1/4 the wavelength. So same thing, this has the symbol lambda, control copy. Want to make sure I include symbols. And the units are in meters, and I'll add this over here, meters, symbol is in, that's the unit. And the uncertainty value for this is that average uncertainty. Remember, it was the biggest range out of these trial data divided by 2, which turns out to be that. My average wavelength, I'm sorry, this is still average 1/4 the wavelength, so it's still, oh yeah, no, it's right, okay. And my average wavelength here, all the same information. Just because I multiplied by 4, it doesn't change. It doesn't change the uncertainty value. Frequency, the symbol for frequency is F. The units for F are hertz. that is HZ. There's no uncertainty in my frequency, so the delta F equals plus or minus 0 because I'm trusting the manufacturer. Period has the symbol T. The units for period are seconds, seconds S, and so there is no uncertainty in my, oops, not equation, insert symbol delta. Delta T equals symbol plus or minus 0 seconds, and this would be plus or minus 0 hertz. We're assuming no uncertainty. So that's how you set up your table, and you can change the color, you can change the layout if you want to, center it or whatever you'd like. And then if you go back to Excel, you can click this. Again, I hold down Control and then I click C. It copies it for me. Come back to Word, Control Paste, and there's my speed of sound. And make sure underneath you put this little asterisk, error bars too small to show. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and study well.